Yo. Yash and Serge, y'all are just toxic. Toxic. Toxic as fuck. Go on, she doing this bit. What kind of y'all panic? Tell these back shop that she want. All the way go back, she wanna bounce money, Vicky all the time. All the time. All the way go back, she wanna wine, money, cock all the time. All the time. Everybody got their drinks good. Take a sip. We jamming right now. Easy. Get in the road. I'm a boy Darren boy outside. Ladies, work, show me. I'm not coming to work today. Let me see that waistline. There's some Bayesian say, hey, you need that boss man segment here? Every man together right now, bend down. You want roughness? You want roughness? When the girls with the good way, show me. Ladies, if you don't have the arthritis in your back, bend down. Bend down. Ladies, you're looking sweet. Show me the sugar waist. Show me the sugar waist.
Can you look sweet like sugar? What you put in that waistline? Put the waist in my pressure. Sneaking that sugar wine. Your sweetness only calling me. If I stand up a little closer, would you push it back on me? Getting me hyperactive. It's like a good jam all night. Your sweetness only calling me. Now you're gonna give me sugar rush. I never felt this kind of feeling. Sugar rush. You get sugar rush before me. Now you have my body aching. And me to need shaking. Sugar rush.
Yeah, open up early. That's for all the DJs, not me. Watch me good. We playing for everybody today. I want to know if there's any small islanders here. When I say small islands, I mean no disrespect. I mean only the utmost love and respect. Anybody from Antigua? Anybody from Virgin Islands? Anybody from St. Kitts and Nevis? 1, get ready to go. 2, get ready to go. 1. Wow. Everybody. Stop. Anybody from St. Thomas, St. Croix, Guadeloupe, Martinique, Dominica.
Push it back, yes. Push it back, yes. Right back, push it back, yes. Push it back, yes.
Ladies, put your hands on the knees and push back. Body back. She like back shot. Body back. Look at you. Body back. She like back shot. Body back. Next rhythm. Wine to the rhythm. To the rhythm, take a jam. Bend down. All right, ladies, here we're gonna do right now.
Let me
outside, yeah. Ladies, listen, you know what? Let me just get rid of it. Stop it. Leave it right there. Yeah. Here's what we're gonna do, right? We need a little participation from our patrons. When I play this song, all the girls that are next to a fence, put 2 hands on your fence. Put 2 hands on the fence. 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 When they're ready, jump up on the fence. My Russian there, Savage Mass, ladies, bend down. Bend down on the fence. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Bend down on the fence. Now boy, look up on fence. And the fence nice. Bend down. Jesus Christ. Yo, Savage Mass, that food was real good enough, but I'm still hungry, baby.
Russian does eat chicken back. But some big one, Russian don't have that.
So he went outside.
And he find a cat. And he tell his
Can you sing this for me?
he eating that.
Say, meow, 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 meow. Yeah.
I'll be back. Y'all are right behind us. We're the truck right there. I'll be back. I'm coming. I'm come back.
Steam the cat, Russian, steam it. Steam the cat, Russian, steam it.
You ready to turn it up a little bit now?
Steam it.